Good morning, students. Today we will start surface area and volume. Okay. So whatever you had studied in class 9, you must revise it. So whatever formulas you see in class 9, you just see. So first of all, we shall discuss about the surface area of shapes. Shape, that means solid shapes like cube, cuboid, okay, cylinder, cone, etc. Okay. So see, the first one is surface area of cube. This is what? 6a square. What it is? 6a square. Why? Because there are 6 faces. There are 6 faces, that is 6 images. Where A is what? Where A is what? Age of cube. Did you get this one? Now, surface area of what? Cuboid. This is 6a square. This is 6a, sorry, 6, 2 times LB plus BH plus H. 2 times LB plus BH plus HL, where L is what? Length of cuboid, B is breadth, and H is height of the cube. Did you get this one? Okay, so note it down. I hope you completed this one. So next one is what? Which one is this? Cone. Now we shall discuss about the surface area of cone. Okay, so this is the shape of cone, which you know very well. This is the shape of cone. This is R radius, this is height, and this is L, slant height. Supposed to be, this is O, E, B. So L is what? Slant height. H is what? Height of cone, and R is what? Radius of cone. R is what? Radius of cone. So this is the slant height, radius, and so what is the surface area? There are 2 types of surface area. CSA, you know what is CSA? This is curved surface area. You know very well. This is curved surface area. So this is what? Pi R L. Where L is what? Where L is what? Under root H square plus R square. You know this thing? And now PSA. PSA is what? Total surface area. This is pi R L plus R. Why? Because this is pi R square and this is pi R. So if you add both and take pi r from the bracket, you will get pi r L plus. Okay? क्या नाम है आपका? समझ में आया? So note it down fast. Okay, now next one is, now we are going to discuss surface area of cylinder. Surface area of cylinder. See? Surface area of cylinder. Surface area of cylinder. Okay? Now, what is the shape of cylinder? This is the cylindrical shape. This is the height. This is the radius. Okay? You know what is the surface area? CSA. There are two types of surface area. First one is curved surface area, and curved surface area is CSA. This is 2 pi r. How will we get 2 pi r? You know, if you cut the cylinder from that particular axis of rotation, you say, then this becomes a rectangle. Okay? अगर कागज देखिए, अगर देखते हो, आप जानते हो, तो आपने जो कट किया, कागज इसमें लोअर सिलेंडर बन गया, तो छोटे से क्या हो गया? रेक्टेंगल। अगर रेक्टेंगल हो गया तो बेटा उसका क्या होगा? लेंथ एंड ब्रेड. सो लेंथ इज व्हाट? 2 pi r, because that particular curved part is become a length. What is this? Circumference of a circle, 2 pi r, and this is height h, 2 pi r. And now TSC. TSC is what? 2 pi RH plus pi r. 2 pi r square. Why 2 pi r square? There are two bases. There are two bases. So this is 2 pi r and h plus r. This is total surface area of cylinder. So note it down. Okay, so you may complete it. Now, next one is surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere. And hemisphere also. So, this is the sphere. Okay. What is the surface area of this sphere? If radius is r, then surface area of sphere, this is nothing but 4 pi r square. Okay? And if you have a hemisphere, then this surface area of this hemisphere with radius r. This is radius r. You know what is the surface area of this hemisphere? CSA. There are two types of surface area. First is CSA 2 pi r square. But TSA, total surface area is what? 2 pi r square plus pi r square. This is 3 pi r square. Why? Because if you cut a sphere, then you see spherical part also as well as circular part is there. है ना, नींबू कट किया था, देखा क्या होता है, ऊपर एक सर्कल नहीं बना होता है और उसका रेडियस और स्फीयर का रेडियस सेम है. सो दैट पर्टिकुलर सर्किल पाई आर स्क्वायर एंड हेमिस्फीयर 2 पाई स्क्वायर, दिस इज 3 पाई आर स्क्वायर. क्लियर? एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द वॉल्यूम. Completed. Now we shall going to discuss volume of. Actually, this is from class 9. In class 10, your syllabus is combination of surface area and volume of shape. Combination. They have given two shapes combinedly as suppose a sphere, hemisphere, and a cone on that side, like ice cream. Cone वाला ice cream होता है. Okay. ठीक है, इस तरह से आपको यहाँ पे पढ़ना है. सो नाउ वॉल्यूम ऑफ शेप्स, वॉल्यूम. सो व्हाट इज वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब? वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब, दिस इज व्हाट? 8 क्यूब. व्हाट इट इज? 8. क्लियर? नाउ वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड, this is L into B into breadth. Well, you know very well what is LBS, length rectangle. And now volume of cone, this is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now volume of what? Cylinder. Volume of cylinder, this is pi r square h. And then volume of sphere, this is 4 by 3 pi r square, r cube, pi r cube. Now volume of hemisphere, this is 1 by 3 pi and 2 by 3 pi r cube. This is the volume of hemisphere. Clear? And one more concept you know. Actually that जो वॉल्यूम होता है ना, वो क्या होता है? वॉल्यूम का कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है? आप इस कमरे को देख रहे हो, ठीक है ना? दिस इज अ रूम. इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस रूम, देन व्हाट यू कैन डू? L into B into H. What is L into B? L into B is the area of this floor, and only you multiply by height, you will get the volume. Similarly, if you see the cylinder, what is the base? Base is the circle. What is the area of base? Pi r square. What is the height? H. So volume is pi r square. Okay. Now your question is, sir, why? So why volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square? This is the question. So actually, cone is the 1/3 part of the cylinder. That's why. Okay. If base is there, then multiply by the height, you will get what? Volume. Always remember this thing. Okay. So note it down. तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं इसमें. हम थोड़ा इसको 10th का स्टार्ट करते हैं. The first thing is surface area of combination of shapes. नोट हो गया अपना सबका, है ना? Now class 10th we will start the syllabus of class 10. The first thing is surface area of combination of plane. This is your class 10 topic. Surface area of combination of shape is a combination of solids. Combination of solids. Solids means by shape, no? Solid. So first we discuss the basic thing, then after we shall discuss the question. Okay? Suppose you have given this type of shape, that is a cylinder as well as a cone is surmounted by this cylinder. So what is the surface area of this shape? This base is same actually. So what is the surface area of this shape? You know what is the surface area of this shape? Okay? What is the surface area? Surface area is nothing but curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone, and one more thing is, remember, base is again the surface area of base of the solid. Okay? So if you see what is the base, suppose radius is r, suppose the height of cylinder is small h, okay, height of cone is h dash, supposed to be h dash. So what is the surface area of this solid? Curved surface area cylinder 2 pi r plus curved surface area pi r l, supposed to be this is l, and you know this is l and this is h dash square plus r dash r square. You know very well this thing, okay? So this one is plus pi r. You know, you understand this thing? Okay. Similarly, more steps are there. Suppose a cone is there, inverted cone is there, okay, and this surmounted by a solid hemisphere. This is surmounted by a hemisphere. Okay. Then what is the surface area of this solid? You know, what is the surface area? Tell me. Curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Are you able to understand? Okay. Now, next one is what? Suppose we have given a cylinder. You got it? So cylinder is there, suppose. And this is surmounted by hemisphere. This is surmounted by and you will get the, okay. So in this manner we have to complete this particular thing. Surface area of combination of solid and solid, that's a cone, cylinder. Any two solids can be combined. Okay, so there are so many examples you see. Suppose a masjid is there, you see the base part is a maybe cuboid, but there is a क्या बोलते हैं उसको, हिंदी में बोलते हैं गुम्बद होता है ना उसमें, ठीक है, और वो सरमाउंट होता है हेमिस्फीयर से. So many shapes. Suppose any other shape you see. What? Okay. So बहुत सारे गेट बनते हैं ऐसे जिसमें आपको बहुत सारे शेप दिखते हैं, ठीक है. आपके डेली लाइफ में सपोज आइसक्रीम खा रहे हो आप, ओके, मे बी अदर शेप भी डेली लाइफ में है. बताओ कौन सा है? हाँ, अभी दिवाली आ रही, जो तुम लोग रॉकेट उड़ाते हो, है ना, सिलेंडर और हेमिस्फीयर होता है ना, कोन होता है, सिलेंडर और कोन का कॉम्बिनेशन होता है ना. क्लियर है बेटा? और कोई चीज़ बताइए जो डेली लाइफ में आप देख रहे हो, कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ प्लेन. टेल मी. आइसक्रीम तो आई हैड ऑलरेडी टोल्ड. एनी अदर थिंग? देयर आर सो मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ रसगुल्ला, लालमोहन, यू सी. एक होता है गोला वाला, तो ठीक है, वो स्फीयर हो गया. एक और शेप का होता है जिसमें क्या होता है, सिलेंडर भी होता है, दोनों तरफ से ये क्या होता है, सरमाउंट होता है किससे, हेमिस्फीयर से सरमाउंट होता है. ओके, सो थैंक यू फॉर टुडे, थैंक यू वेरी मच.